After a season of using your BagANut harvester, we recommend looking it over and making any necessary tune-ups before putting it away for the year. First, it's always a good idea to hose down your harvester to wash off any dirt or debris that may have accumulated on the unit during the harvesting season. If the harvester is severely soiled, a soft, bristled brush may help loosen any clung-on dirt. The rest of this video will address several issues that may need to be corrected on your harvester: a loose or wobbling drum, broken ejection fingers, bent or broken wheel tines, and loose fingers or misalignments. If your harvester is rolling lopsided, seems loose when turning, or has ejection fingers that are wedging between the inner rim of the harvester wheels, you will need to tighten the axle bolt in order to bring the harvester wheels back into tight alignment. For this, you will need two 7/16" sockets or wrenches. First, use your hands to position the wheels back to the vertical position. The wheels should be perpendicular to the table. Use one wrench on each side of the axle rod. Begin to slowly tighten until the wheels are firmly back into alignment. A properly tightened axle will still allow the wheels to roll smoothly and turn. If you over-tighten your wheels, they will be stiff and not roll on the ground. Occasionally, an ejection finger may break or wear through. To replace, simply snap it off the finger bar and replace it with a fresh one. Sometimes a stick or other object may bend a wheel tine. Most of the time, you can just bend it right back into place. But even if it breaks completely off, a few broken tines won't affect the functionality of your unit. If you break enough tines, however, to where it does affect the functionality, you can replace entire wheels. See the link below for that video. If the ejection fingers are misaligned on your harvester and not laying down centered between the harvester tines, it's likely due to missing spacer clips or a loosened finger bar support. First, check that the harvester drum's axle rod is properly tightened, as previously shown in this video. Next, ensure that the finger bar and lower support are adequately tightened. With the basket off, hold on to both triangle side brackets and attempt to shift them in opposite directions. A properly tightened unit should maintain its rigidity and not shift too much. If it's loose, use two 7/16" socket wrenches to tighten. Tighten until snug, but don't over-tighten so that the bars begin to bow. If the finger bar and lower stability bars are adequately tightened, the finger misalignment may be caused by a missing spacer. Center the ejection fingers and snap the new spacer onto the finger bar end where the gap exists. Each BagANut model has different spacer configurations, so what we're looking for here is not the number of spacers, but rather if a gap exists for an additional spacer to be added. An entire replacement pack can be ordered from our website with various sizes included. We proudly manufacture all of our products in the USA and have almost all replacement parts readily available. If you have any questions or need help troubleshooting a problem with your harvester, please reach out to us via the contact form on our website at BagANut.com or give us a call or email us and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.